I will, for my beloved Helena.
Don't say that, Lysander. Hermia still loves you. Be contented.
Only you can content me.
I love Demetrius today. I love Demetrius even if he doesn't love me. Lysander, I thought. Lysander, I thought you were a gentleman, but the things I heard from you a while ago.
Diyan dito. Exit
So
ah.
disappointed that you're not a nice person.
Helena!
Leave me alone. Yeah.
Ay. Kaya na tayo magkataon. Maging.
Help me, Lysander.
Parang baliw.
Hindi ka naman nananaginip, ano ba yan?
Nalaginip siya dyan. Tapos nagising niya bigla.
Help me, Lysander. Help me. Get the snake out of my chest, Lysander. Matutulog ako, di ba? Nakinip ako gumagulo.
Saan?
Time. Ay, di, malapit ko. Ate ko naman, no?
Action!
Help me, Lysander! Help me! Get the snake out of my chest! Help! Ay! May paray na! Ano na lang ako? May digising ako, di ba? Get the snake out of my chest! Lysander! Ang pangit ng gising. Kuya, wag po, kuya.
Action!
Ito, Mariander na Rodon.
Lysander, help me! Help me, Lysander! Get the snake out of my chest! Lysander!
What a dream.
Look at the dream. I thought that snake will eat my heart. Lysander? Lysander, where are you? Lysander? Lysander?
Baba diyan. Mag-iim.
Tama na! Tama na!
Tama.